Going on, guys? Today I've got the Realme Band in. We've had this in stock on eFones.com for a little while, but we thought we'd do a quick review because people were asking some of the specs, so we thought we can refer them to this video if they want to. So this is the Realme Band itself. It comes in this signature Realme yellow box. You can see all the branding around the outside. The box does feel extremely light. Hopefully that's a good thing, because the lighter the band, the less you'll realise it's on your wrist. Spinning it over on the back, you've got some of the specs on the back here, so you can see it has a large colour display, a real-time heart rate monitor, cable-free charging, app notifications, sport detection, tracking, IP68 waterproofing, and you can also see the colour we've got here is black. So there's all your info there, along with all your customer care things here, so if anything goes wrong you can always visit this, and that's the same for any Realme device. You'll always see this customer care bit on the back here where you can refer to if things start going wrong, even though it's very unlikely they will. Yeah, let's pop this open now. There's not too much information on the outside, you know, pretty bog standard box. We have already sliced this for you just to save some time. So if I slide this out, here is the band itself. Now it comes in this little white case here, just a little enclosing thing, and we'll take this out for now and we'll continue moving through the box. Inside the box, oh no. Well, that's funny. We thought that we'd got like a faulty piece, because I was looking through like, oh my god, there's no charger. And then I suddenly was reminded that the actual device itself, the charger is actually inside one of these panels here. Literally slip it off, I'll show you that in a minute. But what you get inside the box is this quick start guide here, but you know, just usual in that. But I'll talk a little bit about the charging port, because that's interesting. It's quite funny. I just run around frantically thinking we've got a faulty unit here, or one that didn't come with a charger. Read the front here and it says, please charge to activate it before first use. Pull the bands off the tracker. Insert built-in USB plug into USB port. So remove for use, and you can see a little diagram of how that works here. So basically what you do is you literally just, I guess, it feels a bit unnatural, pull this band off. Now you can't be afraid to give it a little bit of force here. Bam. Like that, pops off, and then you can see the chargers there, and that just slops into a USB port. That's a sigh of relief. Thought I had a missing part of the box, but it's quite interesting, I think, and I think that's a very good way of doing it. Cuts down the cables, cuts down all the extra box little bits, cuts down plastic, really. You can just plug that into any USB port you've got. That works really well. There's not one on the other side, but you can sort of just pull the band off like that. Anyway, I guess that's just change what strap you have. Now I'm not sure how well this goes into a computer, because it does seem a bit curved, but in actual fact on closer inspection you can actually see that it's completely straight, the actual USB part. So the USB part where it plugs in is straight there, so it must sit sort of, if say this is your computer, it sits in like that and it curves sort of up. So I've got the realme X3 SuperZoom here. Now we have done a video already on this device. If you want to see that, that'll be linked in the description below, and you can see that right away. You can also buy this on eFones.com right now, which will also be linked in the description. Moving on, we're going to open this up real quick. We'll skip all this, we've already done an unboxing, and we'll catch you when we set up the Realme Band. So what you want to do is navigate over to the Play Store and download the Realme Link app, and once that's downloaded you can link all your Realme devices. We've shown this off in a previous video. You can link sort of your watch, your headphones, everything you want. So then once that's installed, you just open it up, allow everything, choose your region, and then you can link a smart device. So once on here you can simply add something. So as you see, we would like to add a nearby device, so it can search. I haven't turned this on yet, and obviously it said you needed to power it up. So what we're going to do real quick off screen is plug this into a computer just so we can power it up. So we've got this all set up now, and you can kind of see the screen here. You can flick through some things, but if we want to add a device, as I said, nearby devices, it will search for this, and you can see there it's popped up Realme Band. Connect, come to this little confirmation page, and you can just click to link that up there, and then it will come up like this little display, and you have to touch and hold the button on the band, and then there you go, all connected. Get started, agree, and there you are, all your information about your band onto your phone. So you have your battery percentage, your steps, your sleep, your heart rate, and all your workout logs and everything that you need onto your phone. So that's the phone side, that's the connected side of the phone. The watch features, we'll have a look here. You've got your steps, your BPM, cricket mode, yoga, run, stopwatch, find phone, about, and the time. So you've got quite a lot of functionality there, to be honest with you. I know this is Bluetooth, so connected to there. It's got a sport mode as well, so when you're doing activities, you can set it to that. And it will also track all your sleep and everything as stated. So I'll chuck this on just so we can see my heart rate and so we can see the weight and comfortability, really. Now, it's made of this sort of fairly smooth textured, I want to say plastic material, but it does feel fairly high quality, in my opinion. It does feel pretty good. It reminds me a lot of the Huawei Band 4 Pro. And in relation to the Band 4 Pro, we do have a video coming out very soon comparing these two. And that'll be out very soon, the comparison between the Realme Band and the Huawei Band 4. It's a very exciting video. Can't wait for you guys to see it. So now we've got it on my wrist. We can see some of the features. So again, 0 steps done. I've only just put it on. BPM, it should start measuring now and be able to tell you that. See, we've got 70 beats per minute there, 69. 68, oh gosh, let's skip that quick before I die. Cricket mode, I'm not too sure what that is, to be honest with you. I will have a little explore. So you can simply tap to navigate through all the bits here, and if you wanted to say stop on, for example, the stopwatch, you can navigate to it like this, then hold down on the navigation button, and then the stopwatch will begin counting, and then you can simply hold down again to stop it. And there you go. Start, stop. Start, stop. So then if you wanted to go on to something else, you can simply hold down again and navigate back through. So for example, if I wanted insights into my steps for the day, you'd just hold down and there you've got 12 steps to fire. Now I haven't looked into what these all mean. Not too sure what the fire meant, but I imagine sort of burning calories or something to do with that. Very interesting, gives you a lot of insight into everything that you want to see, and you have a lot of functionality, especially for the price. Now we do have this listed right now on eFones.com for $24.99, so if you want to check that out, that'll be linked in the description below. For $24.99 you get an incredibly good smart band that can connect to your phone and give you all the information you need instantly in your hand or on your wrist. So an incredibly good bit of tech. I rate this very highly. It's very light, very high quality, and does all the jobs that you really want a smartwatch to do. So I would advise that. Now we are going to do a bit more in-depth dive into this later this week when we do the comparison between the Band 4 Pro and the Realme Band. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe to stay tuned. If you have any questions about this band, please let us know in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer you. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to see more videos like this from us. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.